Hello again, and welcome to another game showcase. Today I'll be showing Take Care of Birdchan. It's a simulation type game where it's very similar to a tamagotchi. We gotta take care of Birdchan, and yeah, it's like a story of his life, and there's some ups and downs, some good times, some sad times. Very emotionally driven game, you know. So first things first, this game was programmed in C++, just like hard-coded, no editor. So yeah, you got the how to play. You just, do that. So let's just play. And before we get started, the game is pretty much impossible to actually win. I added a over time, it gets harder and harder to the point where you just can't keep up. That's because the point of the game isn't really take care of the Tamagotchi thing. Well, I guess the bird is to take you through the story of your pet bird, Birdchan. Okay, so let's see what his story is about. So it starts off with an egg, and you have your little hammer here. So you're gonna open the egg with your hammer. Then out comes Birdchan. So up here you got your health, the energy bar, and the food meter. You click to drop some apples, and he'll walk to the apples and eat them, and then that's how you increase the food meter. You could pet him. That's how you increase his, well, I guess not health, his happiness bar. And then you can also switch to a syringe and put him to sleep, And then that's how you replenish your energy bar. So let's see how long I could keep this up for before eventually one of those bars runs out. So as you can see, things are ramping up a little bit. Things are getting a little harder to keep up with. Not dramatically, but enough to notice. And you can't pet him while he's sleeping, because he won't know that you're petting him because he's sleeping. Oh. So he's almost... Things are getting quite difficult now. So the bar is almost down. I'll just let the bar go down. And then, oh no, he died. Oh, and now you got your little shovel. So you gotta dig a little spot for him. And then as you can see, the sun is very upset. Birdchan was a good friend of the sun. So let's pay our condolences to Birdchan. And then that's it. That's the story of your pet Birdchan. Very sad story. But it's his life. Bad things happen. And then if you just want to restart, you just click on the sun. It takes you back to the beginning. So yeah, that's Take Care of Birdchan. And yeah, thanks for watching.